Egg.
What's in that one?
Car.
You think there's a car in here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, oh, oh. What is it? Take it out, see what it is. Cookies.
Bunnies! Oh. Yay! Bunnies, your favorite! Bunnies, yeah! You love bunnies, don't you? Those cute little bunnies. Look at the cute little bunnies. You love those.
You gonna try find another egg?
Who wants to eat those now?
Should have maybe done it afterwards.
You gotta open
Do you want
them
to try
first.
find another egg? Let's go see if we can find another egg.
Do you want me to open one for you? Yeah,
You're gonna go find some more eggs?
That's so cute. Oh dear. Okay, now.
I don't even see any more. Is there more, Mom?
Yeah.
Where else could they go? Where else?
Keep walking,
Maybe
Gage.
on that sink, Angie.
Maybe look over there or something. Behind the couch, maybe? Behind the plant? There's something over there?